Comparing Django and Flask for web development in Python. Before we dive into the details, let's first understand what Django and Flask are. Django is a high-level Python web framework. It promotes rapid development and a clean, pragmatic design. It follows the batteries included philosophy. It comes with many built-in features and modules for common tasks. These include user authentication, database management, and admin interfaces. On the other hand, Flask is a lightweight and modular micro-framework for Python. Django versus Flask, which one is right for you? Ultimately, the choice between Django and Flask depends on the specific requirements of your project. If you are looking to quickly build a feature-rich web application with built-in functionalities, Django might be the better choice. On the other hand, if you prefer a lightweight and flexible framework that allows for more customization, Flask could be the right fit. No matter which framework you choose, both Django and Flask are excellent tools for web development in Python. Whether you are building a simple blog or a complex web application, both frameworks offer a wide range of features and capabilities to help you bring your ideas to life. When choosing between Django and Flask, it's essential to consider the scope and requirements of your project. Django offers a robust framework with built-in features for rapid development, making it ideal for larger applications, while Flask provides a lightweight and flexible option that allows for greater customization in smaller projects. Conclusion. In conclusion, when comparing Django and Flask for web development in Python, consider your project's requirements, your familiarity with each framework, and your preference for built-in features versus customization.